Hi all, so welcome to my channel Pixels and Pistons. So this is how my camera setup looks like now. So you can see that the chin mount, which I explained in my previous video, so I have set it up now. So this is my Action 4 camera. I kept it for like more than 24 hours for the adhesive to stick properly onto the chin of the helmet. So this is how the final setup looks like, and I strongly recommend, if anyone wants to do motovlogging or something like that, and if you're looking for a chin mount, then you can go for this product. It fits perfectly according to your helmet. Whatever brand you have, you can select and just buy it. So I'll see you in the next motovlog. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit like button and share. Thanks. Bye.